Guys, welcome to Makeup Mistress. Well, today I'm back with some new recipe. Well, the first one is khichuri, which is made with rice and with dal and like lentils. And the second one is aludum, which is made with potatoes. The third one is some fried brinjal, with the normal fried brinjal is not this is something different. We Bengalis call it beguni. And then I have some kumri, which is made with pumpkin, where the same technique is used like the brinjal fries. These are made with pumpkins, so pumpkin fries and some papad. And yes, the last and not the least is payesh. Well, payesh is Bengalis favorite. It is made with rice and milk. It's like a pudding, like a rice pudding, or even you can call it a kheer, but it's little different. So yes, I won't blabber much, just go and check it out. So to begin with the khichuri, there's some lentils and some rice. We need to take the rice and the dal in equal proportion and just heat some water and let it boil. You can cover it and just let it boil. It should be like boiling water. And yes, see, this is the case like in which you have to add the dal and the chawal, the rice. So you can the dal and the chawal is actually pre-washed, and then you can just add them to the water, the boiling hot water. So after this, the rice, yes, as because it's washed, it settles down a bit. So you need to just take some water again and then just pour all the rice to it, and yes, let it boil. And then you can see that the rice and the dal is like boiled. And in another pan, you just take some ghee or tel, whatever suits you. Then you can add some chilies and some panch foron, which consists of methi, kalonji and saunf. Then add some ginger paste to this. No garlic is added. Some salt, then some turmeric powder, and just mix them really well. This khichuri is really simple, easy to digest. We are adding sugar to it. It's totally optional, because as I told you that in my family everyone loves sugar. And I'm just transferring this whole thing to the khichuri. Yes, it's still yet to be made and you need to give some more time to it, and then it will boil just like so. And then you can add some garam masala powder to it. This is the simplest form of khichuri. This is easy to digest. Old people, everyone can have this. Now we are adding some ghee to it just for the flavor. Yes, it's healthy, tasty, and yes, very festive kind of. Now is aludum. We have like half boiled aloo potatoes, and there is some tel in a karhai, and then you can fry these potatoes till they turn little goldenish. This is also optional. If you're going for something healthy, you can just shallow fry this. There is no need to fry till it turns red or brown or golden. So then in the oil you can add some ginger garlic paste and some dhania, some jeera powder, some turmeric, some mircha powder, and some salt. And then just mix everything nicely and put the potatoes to it, and then just mix everything really nicely. And you have to keep on adding little water, and then just stir them. And you can even cover cook them for a while. You can add some sugar to it, it's optional, some garam masala powder to it, and even you can add some ghee and coriander leaves. Yes, and it is ready, isn't it? So simple. So the next is I'm taking a karhai and pouring some oil to it, like yes, little in larger quantity. Then take some besan, yes, the gram flour. Then you need to take like I'm taking around 100 grams of flour, the besan flour. And these kind of shaped brinjal and pumpkin. So then adding some garam masala to it. You can add some salt, some jeera powder to it, some amchur powder as well. So it's totally depending upon you. You can add even little soft to it also. So that was it, and then I'm adding some water and just mixing it together. So mix it so that there is no lump in the batter, and you can add some kalonji as well because it tastes really good because of the fragrance. And you have to keep on adding little by little water because you don't want your batter to be super thin or super liquidy, super runny. It should be of a nice consistency, right? So yes, just stir it till you get the desired consistency, and no lump is there. And you have to make sure that this is a very important part, that there is no lump in your batter. So in this batter you'll be frying the sliced pumpkin and the sliced brinjals both. So yes, this is how you need to add little by little water. And now it's time to add the kalonji, the kala jeera, whatever you call. In Bengali it's called kalo jeere, in Hindi it's called kalonji, and there are different names. So just add it, and then some salt to it, and yes, you need to mix everything nicely. And you can add some baking powder to this because our fried brinjals need to little swollen up, what do I call it? So yes, we need little amount of baking powder to give that rise to the batter, and obviously to the fried brinjals and pumpkins. So yes, you have to mix them all together, and again you can add some more water to this because the consistency may be little thick, and you don't want that thick kind of a consistency. So yes, taking these kind of slight like pieces, like not that fat kind of pieces, you need to take like thin pieces and dip it like so, and then just transfer directly to the oil. So yes, I'm not like, I'm a novice, I don't cook regularly. That is the thing, I don't have like precision to my work. So yes, you guys, whoever cooks, or even like whoever loves for experiments and loves experimenting with food and everything, they can definitely try. And yes, you have to deep fry them, and you can just turn them, flip them upside down till you get the desired color. And this gas should be in same position because you should not like let the color come very fast to these fries, because or else the brinjals or the pumpkins, whatever it is, it won't be edible. It will remain like raw. So you need to sim your gas and take time and flip them upside down and cook them till they turn reddish color in sim. Like the gas should be in the sim mode, the lowest flame that is available in your system. So yes, all these extras should be removed basically, otherwise the oil gets little dirty and stuff. So this is how you need to take some time and cook till you get the desired color of your brinjal or your pumpkin fries. This is almost done, almost. Yes, now this is the look. So now it's time for the pumpkin fries. Yes, you can cut the pieces as you want, but they should be thin. And yes, they should not be super fat, otherwise it won't be fried properly, or it won't actually taste good. So at a go, I'm giving 4 pieces here. And next is the payesh. So I'm taking some milk, and I'm adding the rice So this is the Gobindo rice. You can ask for the payesh rice. This is a typical rice, available just for payesh. And the recipe is very simple. You need to just stir it till the rice is boiled, and just at last, when it's come to an, like, the rices are boiled and all, you need to add some, yes, you need some elaichi, and you need some dry fruits as well. And when the rice has, just to get the consistency, and the rice are like really boiled and everything is done, then you need to add the sugar, and then stir nicely, because the sugar is gonna leave water again, and you cannot go away from this payesh. You have to stand there still, and you need to just stir the payesh till it gets the consistency that you need. Okay, it is like a semi solid kind of a consistency you'll get. And you can add the dry fruits just at last, not the raisins. You can add the raisins later, because sometimes it happens, well, the preparations are here, because yes. And now the elaichi, and now some ghee. Well, this is like a ritual we just add, and at last the raisins. Yes, that is how it is made, and this is the final look, the khichdi with some papad. And yes, this is the menu that you can try anytime. So I hope you all love this menu. Well, this is a total Bengali spread, which is often served during the 8th day of our Durga Puja, and we eat vegetarian food that time, like that day, not regularly. And yes, this is typically served during pujas like Lakshmi Puja or Durga Puja or any other pujas. So these are like the Bengali delicacies, you can say. Like bongs cannot survive without these during the pujas. So I guess you all are gonna try these at least out, and yes, just leave a comment. I want to know that whether you love this or not. And yes, that was it for today, and I'll see you guys really soon. And yes, stay happy. Bye.